So now let us move to our user. So in our page, let's create a new file and we'll name it as user.php. This is for our user. Yes. Once we click it will sit here, paste it here. We can add or edit this in our user account. So since I have already a code for our user, I will copy this one. Plus, users. This one, I will copy this. All this code. Control A and C, and we will paste it into our here. This is for the users. Paste this into users. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's see. Okay, so now let us edit the table. Here is our table. We will copy this. Wait. Okay. Let's copy this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Happened. Okay. Well, copy. Let's remove this. 1, 2, 3, 4. First name, last name. Oh no, it's middle. Okay. Where are surname? User, middle name. Oh no, it's email. Email. No. User ID. Your name, email. First name. Middle name. Last name. Last name. Age. Gender. Country. Province. City. Pizza. Mana? 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy and exclusive. Here. So we are done. City. Barangay. Barangay. Postal code. C number. password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 7, 8. Save. So I already fixed the error. This is our database. For this database table user. Table user here. This is our table user, and this library we will include this to call the functions. These are for table and let's go. Let's try if it is working. Oops. It's not. Dapat kasi we don't have this yet. Okay, so that's all. In the next video we will create, add, edit, remove to our database. Here you can add or edit or remove our user account or database in dashboard. Okay, so I already fixed the error. Mga error kay kanisha ID. Earlier it is user ID, but in our table it's not user ID, it's ID. So I change it here and in here. And in our sidebar, I forgot to put our link for our users. So that's all for our error. So we'll save this and the sidebar. So let's go to our dashboard, refresh, and user account. So here it's working. Okay, I will fix this for our in here our action. So that our here it will para kasya sila lahat. So let's fix this. Okay, so we are done. I already put our add user. Once we click this add user, we can add another user, just like our local host. We can this one. Once we sign up, it will go here, but we will create this para dito na lang siya mag add ng user, at pwede rin siyang maka remove or delete or edit. Okay, so let's try this one. add user. Okay. Wala, error pa siya. Cause wala pa tanag butang og dinhi for our add user. Wala pa tanag butang og we did not put to add a user. So let's create for our add user. So since we already have a code for our sign up, so we will copy this one, copy, and let's create in our admin, let's create another new file in our pages. So this is sign up.php. So in here we will paste it here, R. Okay. Control A, copy. Okay, we will paste it here. Save. Then let's try. Save and user account. Okay, it's working, but it's not customized. So let's edit this one. So now we are done in our sign up. I already edit our sign up. I just copy this and I paste it in our pages, our admin. So this, let's see the output. Let us go to add. Let's refresh first, then user account, so add user. Okay, so now we have our sign up form, and let's try to sign up. So Joe, then the email address is blah 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 gmail.com. First name is okay. Let's to for Hanilyn. Hanilyn at gmail.com. Hanilyn123. First name Hanilyn, middle name Barcenas, last name Cabaltera, birthday December 9, 1998. Age 22, gender female. Philippines, Latin, Hormone, Valencia. Okay. 6541 cell phone number. Password Hanilyn. Sign up. Okay. It's error because we did not create for our sign up to save our user to the database in our admin. So let's create. Okay, so now let's create a process in our admin. Okay, process. Let's move our logout into our process. Wait. Oh, okay. So you have here process. Okay, move. Oh, wait. Okay. So now our logout process. So in our process, we will create a saved user for our sign up form. So let's create a new file in our process. This is for save user.php. So in here we already have this one, so we will copy this. Save and let's paste it into our process save user. So save. Okay, so now we are done. This is required once to have a connection into our database. So this is the variable. This is our query. Okay, let's save and let's try. Okay, add user, sign up. Birthday. Okay, it is working. We successfully added this Honeybean into our users here in our table. So now we have Honeybean. Okay, it's correct. Let's X this. So now let us we can edit or remove information in here. Before I forgot, and let's try to look into our localhost if this one is successfully added here. So let's go. Okay, it's successful. Okay, so now let's move into edit. So let's start to edit user here before remove user. So let's create another file in our pages. This is for the edit user.php. So since I already have codes for the edit user, I will just copy this. Okay, so we will change this into, since our database is only 1N, this is okay. So this is our we don't have this yet link to update the user. Okay, so okay, so this is required once to have a connection to our database. So okay, for the column. So since we have our form, we will use this with our sign up. Okay, so we will copy this one and we will paste it into our edit user. Okay. No. Okay, so since we don't have this link, let's create for our update user or I already fixed our code, so I only copy or sign up this and I paste it here in our edit user. So I just add for form action for our process to user. So this is error login. So if success, user successfully update. So if not, then error updating user's information. So let's try if our data will successful. Okay, so let's go back to our user. So in Honeylin, we will edit this one. So this action, this button, I button, this is for our edit. So let's click. So okay, so let's for the user Honeylin 456. The email address still for first name, middle name, let's for the last name is Iyaw. Last name, I change the username and the last name, birthday, gender. I only edit the username and last name. password handling. So save, updated. Okay. Oh no, it's not working because the handling 456 is it only added uh, the handling 123 is still here, so our edit user is not successful. So let's fix it. We forgot the in here is for update user, so we don't have page for update user, so let's create in our process a new file. This is for update user.php. So in here let's create php let's copy in our this one. Let's copy this. Let's paste it here. So now we have our variables. So let's create a query. Okay, so now I already fixed the error. I changed the code or edit user. This I put at um, para hindi lalabas yung string 1. So this is the forget the user ID, and this is my loop. Okay. Instead of this instead of this instead of this I change it this para by row na yung ang tawag ito by row na kukunin by row niya tanawon. So this is now for the folder to go to update user, process to page to user, update user. So if successful, it will update. If not, error. In our save button, I put this link. Once we click save, it will go to update user into here our user. So this if successful siya. User. So in here, this is our host, my DB name, my query, and name, okay, all done. So now let's try this out. So this JGM, I will edit that one. So we have here edit user. User ID is number 9. So here I will send to Jody. We can edit now. Since we have here, we can edit now the name, email, family name, middle name, so cell phone number. So let's try. So we have here our okay username GGM email address Juday at gmail.com. First name Juday. Juday. First name Judeline, middle name Cabaltera, surname name wait, this is not a surname. Is last name. Last name. Save. Refresh. Last name. Juday 1. Juday 1. Juday. Birthday 29. Age 20. Girl or female. Alex since we want this to change all of this, so more course
I am Naveed, Prince of Nandon. She's here.
Okay. For more. Got to make this that increment, so it will not be appear. So just Juday as Juday. Save. Okay, wait. Okay, it's not working.
You are a genius.
Okay. I forgot to this one. This is the last of our value. So let's remove the comma. So save, then let's refresh. Okay. Okay, it's working. So we have here user ID number one, user successfully added. User uh, number nine, Jedi. Okay, it's working. The password is increment. So it's so now we are done in our edit user. So let's uh, move to remove. We need to remove this. Once we remove this, it will appear. So let's try if it's working. Even though um, we don't have a remove page in our process. So let's try if it's working. Okay, so there's an error. There are no such file directory. Remove. Okay. Okay, so now I already have a code for our remove user. So let's try to copy this if this code will work in our um here in our web demo. So in our admin, go to our process and let's create another file. Remove user.php. So let's try to paste and let's uh, edit this one into Debecon. I think this is not will work. Maybe I will copy this, but I'm not sure but if this will work. So okay. Let's save and okay. Let's try. Let's remove this user ID number 9 error. Is error. Our user number 9 is still here, so our remove user or our remove button is not working. So let's fix this one. Okay, let us go to our remove user. So in here, I will edit this one. Okay, so I fixed the error. The only error in our remove user is this one. Instead of user, get user um, user ID in our edit user. No, in our user our values is here. ID only ID, not user ID and here ID, and our local host ID. So that's why our remove user is not working because of here. And this one, I only change this up. I will try to back this info. User ID. Right. Let's try if this will work. So refresh and then let's try to this user ID 11. Okay, it's not working. So I will edit this into ID and this ID. So let's save. Then let's refresh. Then this user ID. Let's remove this user ID. Relevant. Okay, user successfully removed. Oh wait, why or it's not working? Earlier, this okay, let's try again. Okay, so this is our user. Try user ID. So this. Okay, so that's it. User successfully removed.